my DIY soundbar, which includes a Sony stereo system, car stereo system, which is enabled with, as you can see on the display, iPod control, Bluetooth, NFC, auxiliary in, and other options. Basically, the drivers of the soundbar are procured from Parts Express. The corner drivers, that are the full range drivers, are from Parts Express, and the other two drivers that you can see, the bigger drivers, are two subwoofers which I procured locally from a shop, electronic shop in Chennai, and the main unit, the Sony car stereo, I procured it from Amazon. So the circuitry is very simple. The Amazon, the Parts Express full range drivers, the full range drivers of Dayton, were directly paired with the subwoofers in a parallel connection to the two channels of the amplifier. Other two channels are left out open without any connections to it. Maybe in future, if I have to add another two bookshelves, I'll add it to that. Mostly the bookshelves with the full range drivers only, because I don't want too much complicated crossovers and other designs in this setup. Thank you.